In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Magnolia by Eldredge. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Eldredge, brand new one called Magnolia. Pretty rousing little tune. I like this guy a lot. Great voice and a good songwriter too. This is in the key of A, and I'm just going to run through the intro, the verse, the chorus, and it's got a little bridge, and then I'll take you to the vamp at the end, and we'll get her done. All right, so here's how the intro goes. I'm doing I'm doing a quick change from an A to a G. So it goes, first it starts out with the D. So D to A. G, and then the song starts, okay? One more time? Okay. Little piano licks in there, a little bass walk down. But that's basically the intro. All right, here's what the verse sounds like. The chorus. So what I'm doing there is I'm working off an A chord, and I'm, rather than changing completely from the A to the D, you can do that, you can go, but it's not what he does. He keeps his index finger on the A, and this is a real Stonesy kind of move. So what happens is you got the A ringing out. You're going to a D chord within an A figure. That's the sound of the verse. That 3 times, then it goes to an E, and then a little tap on the D, and then repeat. And then it goes right into the chorus.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
All right, here's the whole chorus. So. Okay, then it goes right to a quick half intro. And you're back into a verse. Second verse, same as the first. Okay? So now we got the intro, We got the verse, we got the chorus, and then we got a little half intro in between verses. Now we're going to go to the bridge. Take it to the bridge! Alright, here's the bridge. It does an F sharp minor to a D, and then it does this little move on the A. And again. F sharp minor to D. To an E. Okay? And that sets you up to the breakdown verse, which is just a quiet version. Same as the verse. Alright, so this is the out of the song. After that long E. G. And that's Magnolia by Brett Eldredge. See you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.